Strap yourselves in, we got a juicy question coming up. So the circle this shit passes through the point 3, 0. Find two possible values of k. Okay, so first things first. Remember, coordinates aren't just a point on a graph. They're literally telling us when x is 3, y is 0. So we can use these values to plug them into x and y here. So let's do that shit. So 3 minus k all squared. 3 minus k. And before writing all squared, I'm just going to write it out next to each other because we know we're going to be expanding this. So expanding it fully, if the bracket's squared, write the fucking next to each other so you don't make a mistake. Plus, this one's going to be 0 minus 3k, so just minus 3k all squared equals 13. Now the full expansion of this is going to be 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times negative k times 3. It's going to be 2 of the same thing of negative 3k, so it's going to be negative 6k. Overall, kk plus k squared plus negative 3k squared, all squared, is going to be positive 9k squared. So 9k squared there equals 13. Now let's collect like terms. We should be able to spot this is going to turn into a quadratic. Okay, we've got the k squared, we've got the k, and we've got some numbers. So it's going to be a quadratic. And when we deal with the quadratic, we're putting everything on one side. So we're going to add these two together to get 10k squared. And then there's just a minus 6k. And then 9, we're going to minus 13 to this side, so minus 4 equals 0. Now we could solve it at this stage, but I've noticed everything here is divisible by 2. So let's divide this shit by 2, just to make our life a little bit easier. So we've got 5k squared minus 3k minus 2 equals 0. Now I'm hoping this is going to factorize because I ain't got a calculator on me. So let's see. So we know it's going to be 5k and k, and we know it's going to have to be 1 and 2. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's probably going to be 2 there and 1 there. So that makes a 5, that makes a 2. Yes, we want minus 5k plus the 2k to make the negative 3. And then so k equals minus 2 over 5 because this bracket has to equal 0. And k equals positive 1 because this bracket has to equal 0. There's your fucking answer.